Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. On this channel, my goal and intention is to show you how to make at least $1,000 a month using KDP. So if you're brand new here, this video is perfect for you. If you've been on this channel for a while, you probably know what all this is about. So maybe you want to click off this video and go and watch something else. But basically, for everybody that's new here, I think this is the best business opportunity to start in 2020. So Kindle Direct Publishing, let me explain how it works. So you create a cover, you can design it really easily and obviously for free. You then make the interior of a book. If it's just a journal or a notebook, then it's just going to be lines and it stays the same each time. So it's really, really easy to create. It takes only 5-10 minutes. And then you upload them free of charge onto Kindle Direct Publishing. And how it works is you can upload as many books you like for free. And when somebody purchases one of your books, Amazon will print it in their own factories. They will post it out and you will get a percentage of the sale as royalties. So there's absolutely no cost to you to do any of that. So I now have over 1,500 different books published, a variety of books, a variety of niches. It's all explained in the free course you can get in the link below. So I make anywhere between $1,000 to $6,000 a month. Last month in December, I made over $5,000 in profit. And the more books you have, the better and the more money you can make. The books are really simple to create and you can publish anything from a blank line journal to even a full novel on this platform if you so wish. You know, even like a 30,000 word real book. The main advantages that I see to this business model that I hope you can see as well is that there's no setup fees. So there's some software that you can get that's optional, but you can do without it at the start. It's just to help speed things up. But if you're brand new, then you don't really need to get it and you don't need to pay anything. So there's no inventory, you never need to see any of the products you sell. Obviously you could ship a couple to your house just to see how they look, but you don't really need to do that. It's extremely passive. I have books that sell now that I made months and months and months ago that I don't need to manage. I maybe run a few advertisements on them, but that's all, and it's very, very easy to do. There's no prior skills required, no SEO, no marketing, no advertising, and anything about advertising I can teach you anyway. So you can work from anywhere in the world, you can run this from almost any country in the world as long as there is a Wi-Fi connection, and it's still a relatively unknown business model to most compared to something like Amazon FBA or Shopify dropshipping, and it's extremely lucrative. As I say, you can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month, and it's going to teach you skills of discipline, patience, and consistency, because at the start, it's not always so easy to make big money. It takes a couple of months to get going and get the ball rolling, but that is absolutely fine, and it's going to teach you those skills. So if you want to learn the ins and outs and how to get started, then sign up for my free training. The link will be the first link in the description. I appreciate you watching this video. If you do want to subscribe and like the video, then just remember videos are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I appreciate you staying around on this channel.